Let's talk about customizing your lead intake form in Flashquotes. So to get to your lead intake form, you'll go to Forms. It'll open up this Forms page, and you'll want to choose one of your lead intake forms. You'll probably just have one. Click into that form, and you'll immediately see a preview of what that form looks like with the ability to edit content, which is essentially the pages and questions on the left-hand side, to drill into each of those questions and make granular changes to details, and then also change design. Before we jump into that, I just want to say the lead intake form is the primary way you get new leads or contacts that are asking for a quote for an event. Usually you would put this on your website. You can embed it there, or you can share it on social media with a hosted page. Both of those we will get into in other videos. But as it relates to editing that form, you can jump in and change any of these questions. You can go in and configure them. If you want to have specific services available, you could turn off services if you only want to show certain things or group them together. When we look at event address, you can choose your service radius. You can change the name or the subtitle of a question. If you want to go to your event type question, here you can configure different event types that are relevant to your business that you want somebody to be able to select. There's all sorts of cool stuff you can do. Once you dial in the questions and the pages, I recommend clicking up in the top right-hand corner to configure the design. This allows the form to fully integrate into your website in a beautiful way. It's going to give you the opportunity to configure the overall design and modify that to suit your business needs. It also will give you some ability to look for opportunities to change the colors for maximum visibility. Here I can change the corner radiuses and I can see how it impacts every question. Maybe I want to change my overall accent color. Maybe you can see here it's saying the purple and the black aren't working well together because you can hardly read that text. So maybe I'll fix that. Lighten up the color here a little bit. This gives you full control over your design and allows your lead intake form to really reflect your brand on your website or wherever it's hosted. And that is configuring the lead intake form in Flashquotes.